All right, folks, welcome back to another episode of the North Coast Outdoors channel. So we just got up to one of my absolute favorite spots. It's a beautiful end of December day up here. I couldn't ask for anything better. So down over here, we have the ocean. I'll take you down and show you the view. So yeah, down over here you have the Nehalem Bay. You can kind of see the town of Nehalem. I was actually up here for 4th of July and had one of the most awesome views of fireworks down over the ocean over here I've ever seen in my life, at least for a fireworks display. The campsite just sits on the top of this clear cut up here, and it just provides for a good 360-degree view of the forest, the ocean. It has it all. It was really windy earlier, but luckily that's dying down. Hopefully we can enjoy it a little more. There should be a really awesome sunset here. This place just has the coolest sunsets if you hit it on the right day. So anyway, I'm looking forward to it, to show you guys this place now that the sun's coming out. All right, so the sun's going down over here. It's about 5 o'clock, and it's the time of the year where it just keeps getting darker and darker each day. But we got the fire to hopefully keep us warm tonight, and we'll see you in the morning. All right, folks, so it got really cold last night. It's definitely below freezing. It's around 6:30 in the morning right now. The sun's just starting to come up. I'm gonna get a couple cups of tea going and we'll get the day started. All right, folks, good morning. So it got really frosty last night. It was probably down around 30 degrees, not horrible, but there's definitely ice. There's a bunch of ice up here, kind of where I pulled in, that I'm gonna have to drive over, but nothing too crazy. At least there's no snow, but definitely below 30 last night. It was a cold one. All right, folks, so we just pulled off at Oswald West State Park up at a viewpoint area of the state park here. There's not a lot of crowds here yet because it's only around 8 o'clock, so let's just go see if we can check out these areas before too many people show up for the day. check this place out. Look at that cliff. Do not want to go off that. You can see how washed out some of these rocks are right here. I'm even a little timid to be standing where I'm standing right now, to be honest. All right, folks, so we just made it to Hug Point Beach. It's one of my more favorite beaches, and it's on the way back from the area we stayed last night. It's a little bit south of Seaside, Oregon. It's just a really, really cool place. It's kind of foggy out right now. Normally there's a lot more sand showing down here on the beach, but the tide's really high today.